Hey, this video for you to make your 3D bowling pin. And this is a Museum of Mahmud. First, add your reference image, add a circle, scale it. Go to edit mode and extrude it. And scale, and again extrude, and scale. And scale, and again extrude, and scale. Make sure you select edges every single time. I did it with vertex, but you should do it with edge. Let's close the face of two sides. Select the edges carefully and from face, select fill. Again down. Select loop cut and roll the mouse once and once again, go to shading with object mode. Add a new material, make it white. Go to edit mode, select the faces you made with loop cuts. Add a new material and a sign, make it red. Give it subdivision and apply it. Give it shade, smooth. Now you have your pin. It is a magic, isn't it? Subscribe now to see more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy. It's a Museum of Mahmud.